the class. Guess the spot. Guess mean you have to guess and write, okay? Now I will write the first part. You also use two colors, black and blue colors you can use. Now I will change my color. First one I will.
My black color is finished.
Then okay, then you can write with same color. It is played with a shuttlecock. Do you know shuttlecock?
Yes, teacher. I have.
Okay, then I am asking about the game. What is the game? You can write the game name. It is played with a shuttlecock. Don't tell the answers. You can write the answers. Then after, teacher will draw a blank. You also use your ruler and draw the blank. On the line, you should want to write the answer. Second one. These are games. You have to guess and write the game's name. Sangakkara. Do you know Sangakkara?
No, shuttlecock.
Here Sanula. Very nice. Sangakkara played this game. What is the game? Don't tell the answer. It is played with a stick. Do you know stick? Stick mean what is the single? Tennis ball. What is the game? You have to guess the game's name. Last one. You kick the ball with the foot. That is the last one. Yes, LA is the answer. Okay. LA we are playing with a stick. Using one stick and playing LA. Write the answer. LA. Yes, table tennis. Okay. Racket and tennis ball we are playing. Table tennis. That is the answer. Yes, you are correct. Football. Yes, answer is football. Write the answer, football. Kick the ball and kick the ball with your foot, okay? What is the game we are telling? Football. Now write question number 22. Complete using be verbs. Do you know be verbs, children? What are the be verbs? Who can tell me? Using be verbs. Be verbs mean, I will give 3 words only. Am, slash, is, slash, what is the other one? Do you know this? Am, is, these are be verbs. We are calling be verbs. Okay. What tell me? Am we are using for I. Is we are using for he, she, it. And are we are using for what?
These, those.
No. You, we, and they. If you want, write that also. Then you can do this question correctly. I will give that one also. First, write these 7 words. I. Every day I am giving this work in your English class. I, we, you, they. I after put 1 space. Then we, you, they. Again space. He, she, it. We are using am. For I only we are using the word am. Okay, children, write the word are. Here, these 3 we are using is. He, she means singular. My mark. is. Now you can understand what is the question. You can put dot dot or you can put line. Draw a blank. Okay. We blank in grade 5. Full stop. Third one. They blank learning English. Fourth one. You blank a good girl, good child. Use these am, is, are and want to fill these blanks, children. You have to use and fill the blanks correctly. Look at the note and do. Fifth one. She.
Teacher giving 10.
Yes, no, not 10. 7 only. Okay. Very pretty. Last one, only 7. It. Dog. Am, is, are words only you can use, children. Don't use other words. You can use only am, is, are.
We are in grade 5.
Yes, are is the answer. Now put the correct mark, children. Onita, read.
They are learning English.
Yes, they are learning English. Are is the answer. Fourth one, read Sasvindu. Sasvindu, read fourth one.
He's a good child.
Yes, you are a good child. Ah is the answer, children. Okay. Linumi, read next one. Linumi.
He is a doctor.
He is a doctor. He is want to write. Next one, read Krishna. She is very, want to read next one also. She is very pretty. Okay, she is very pretty. Last one.
It is a dog.
It is a dog. Yes, very easy. Adesh, again take, we will give question number 23. Okay, write the question. Name the, with invited commas. In the invited commas, you should write, draw and name the life cycle. Life cycle of the butterfly. Can you write? Do you know life cycle of the butterfly?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Krishita. Yes, Samanalayage Jeevana Chakra. You have to draw and name, children. Draw and name the life cycle of the butterfly. That is my question number 23. And last cycle is butterfly. This is the life cycle, children. Arrows like this. Use red color and draw some arrows. The screen, children. Look at the life cycle of the butterfly. Like this, you also want to write. Second one, they dunna. Third one, discuss, children. Tell me first word, Sasvindu, read. What is the English word, Sasvindu? Do you know the English word?
Daughter.
Very good. Daughter. Can you spell the word? How to write daughter correctly?
I can't.
You can't.
Teacher,
Okay.
I can say teacher.
Then Krishita tell.
D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R.
Well done. Well done. She is in grade 4, but she told nicely. Very good. Daughter. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. That is the word. Second one want to say Akarsha. What is the English word Akarsha?
Rainbow.
What is the word? Yes, you are correct.
Rainbow.
Yes, rainbow is the correct answer. Okay, then third one, Inara, tell me.
Sun.
Sun.
S-O-N.
Very good. S-O-N, sun. Fourth one, spell the word. I want the... Very good. S-U-N, sun. Okay, not S-O-N, sun. S-O-N, sun. Your son, mother's son. Okay. And S-U-N, sun, in the sky. That is in the sky. What is the...
Library. Library.
Yes, L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. What is the word? Library. Okay. Library is the word. Afternoon. These are scholarship exam questions, children. 24 and 25. Third one. Good evening.
What is your favorite subject, teacher?
To me, you ask.
Yes.
Why?
English.
English and accounting. I'm doing accounting class also, Sasindu.
Okay, teacher.
Thank you. Why are you asking that question from me? Thank you. Good. Okay, write this now. So, good afternoon means Subha Dahavalak. Okay. Madhyahanak. Subha Dahavalak, Subha Madhyahanak. At what time we are telling that? Can you remember? Ekat අපි ලියාගමු homework.
1 to 12 morning. 12 to 4
PM. Yes, you are correct. 12 and 4. ඒ අතර ටිකට අපි කියන්නේ good afternoon. Up to 12 and 4 PM we are telling good afternoon. To 4 PM we can say good afternoon. Write the time also, children. Then you can understand. I will erase this box. Please write it. Can you tell me, Tarun? First read.
Okay, teacher.
English word first.
Good night means Subharatriya.
Very good. Do you know the time?
9 PM and
PM to children write the
good night.
Madam.
6 PM.
Anitika Sandhya Digatama.
Yes, yes. Okay. Now write. Why?
රාත් යක් වෙනවා එතකොට.
Have a nice day.
Yes. Have a nice day. Mean.
Subha Davasak Veva.
Yes, yes. Have a nice day. Subha Davasa. And blue colors. First, I will write in blue color. First, I will write our helpers. Helpers mean අපිට උදව් කරන අය. Yes, doctors, nurses. Fourth one, sweepers. අතු ගාන අය sweepers, පාරේ අතු ගානින් අය sweepers. And dentists. Sixth one, teachers. And seventh one, farmers. Eighth one, postman. These are the helpers. No need to write helpers. You can write like this. Like a list, you can write children. Then I will go to the other side. I will use black color. You also change your colors. Into us. Bring us letters. Bring us. Keep the environment clean. Grow paddy. These are the things. I will put some star marks, then you can understand. Bring us letters, teach us. Now you should want to match. Keep the environment clean. Look after patients, treat patients, sell medicine, care for our teeth, and grow paddy. Now you should want to match to the correct helper. Try to match this work. This is my question number 26. Doctors are treating to the patients. Not look after Putta Tarun. Okay? Look after. Rakabala ganna. Doctors la piwa rakabala ganne nene.
Teacher, I can teach patients.
Yes. No, I'm not. I'm telling to Tarun. Okay, Adesh. Eya kiwe look after patients kiyala. Tarun putte therunada. Doctors la apita treat karana vitarai.
Okay.
Who look after patients? Tell me. Now you can tell.
Yes.
Nurses look after patients. That is the answer. Change your colors and match, children. I want color lines. Yes.
Keep the environment clear.
Clean. Okay. Sweepers, Putta Tarun. Sweepers. Keep the environment clean. Pirisiduwa tiyaganna. You are correct. Very good. එයාලා ඕන නේද? පාරේ කොච්චර එයාලා වැඩ කරනවද නේද? Yes. Sweepers very help to us. Now, fifth one. Inara, can you tell me? Fifth one. Apur, tell me. Apur, raise your hand. Apur, tell me.
Dentist.
Yes, dentist mean. Dentist, you know. What they are doing?
Care for our teeth.
Very good. Dentist care for our teeth. එයාලා අපේ දත් පරීක්ෂා කරනවා නේද? දත් ආරක්ෂා කරලා දෙනවා. Yes, you are correct. Next one. Sixth one. Very easy one. Who can tell? Akarsha, can you tell? What is the next one?
Teacher. Teach us.
Yes, teachers are teach to us. That is the answer. Then I will change another color. You also use some colors, children. Then it will be very beautiful. Now, seventh one. Who can read seventh one? Shall we write next question? Do you like to write? Question number 27?
Yes.
Okay, right. Very easy. Countries. Write 5 countries in the world. You have to write 5 names of the countries. Can you write now? Write 5 countries in the world. First write 1 to 3. Sri Lanka. S and L should be capital. Sri Lanka. And we can write India. What else? America.
Teacher.
Yes. What else?
Jaffna.
Jaffna?
Jaffna නෙවෙයි.
Japan. Yes, Japan. Yes, okay. China. Never mind. Japan.
මටත් ඉස්සර මාරු වෙනවා.
China. Okay. Write these country names. No, not green. Salad. Very fun game, just like a game, children. You have to make words. Next row, milk.
Teacher.
Yes. Tarun.
Teacher. Vasan කියලා ළමයෙක් ඉන්නවද?
Vasan? Not Vasan, Vasana. Onita's mother name. Okay. Adesh.
Message.
Milk. Now write milk. 2 times you want to write milk. Okay, children. Green. Milk. I will write again. Milk. 2 times you want to write. And green also 2 times you want to write. It's not a mistake. You should want to write 2 times. And last row, string, no, ice, string, green, another green is there, word is there. 3 words are there, green and fruit. Now can you understand what we want to do? Yes, string hoppers. Like this.
Ice coffee.
A string
Green
hopper.
gram.
Yes,
Ice
green
coffee.
gram. So,
Ice coffee.
ice coffee. But children, want to write first letter should be capital. Check your first letters. All the first letters should be capital. Fourth one, what else? Green gram. Mean green gram.
Green leaves. Green leaves.
Green gram kiyanne mokadda? Do you know?
Danya.
Mung atta. Mung atta, okay? Green gram.
Green tea.
Green tea, yes. Some are drinking. And the shape karaganna neda green tea.
Green leaves.
Green leaves. Phala kola varga neda green leaves.
Green salad.
Green salad? Which salad? Not green salad, darling. Green tea is correct.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad, yes.
Salad.
Okay.
Teacher, green tea bonavada?
No, no, no. I'm not drinking. I don't like. Sasindu. Green tea and what is
Milk
it?
toffee.
Milk toffee. Then we make all the words. Very nice. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit salad. And last, milk toffee. Do you like to eat milk toffee?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very tasty.
I most like.
Yes, yes. Here.
Thank you, teacher.
I will come back.
Nice day, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Bye.